Have you ever wondered how some investors consistently make hundreds of dollars per day? Is it luck, or is there a proven strategy behind it? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact investing strategy that helped me earn $500 per day. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a smart, repeatable process that anyone can implement with the right mindset and discipline. Step 1. Understanding the strategy. The core of this strategy revolves around a combination of dividend investing, options trading, and compound growth. Unlike high-risk gambling in the stock market, this approach focuses on steady, consistent gains while managing risk effectively. Dividend investing, generating passive income through dividend stocks. Selling covered calls, earning extra income from stocks you already own. Growth investing, choosing strong companies that increase in value over time. Risk management, using stop-loss strategies to protect your capital. By combining these techniques, you can create multiple income streams that compound over time. Step 2. Building the right portfolio. Before you can start making $500 a day, you need the right foundation. Here's how to build a strong portfolio. Choose reliable dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends. Examples include blue-chip stocks like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble. Diversify your investments. Avoid putting all your money in one sector. Spread your investments across technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and energy. Reinvest your dividends. Use a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, to compound your earnings and accelerate growth. Step 3. Selling covered calls for extra income. A covered call strategy allows you to generate extra income from stocks you already own. Here's how it works. Own at least 100 shares of a stock. Sell a call option at a strike price higher than the current price. Collect the premium as income, regardless of whether the stock reaches that price. This method creates a steady cash flow and boosts overall returns, making it easier to hit the $500 a day goal. Step 4. Growth investing for long-term gains. In addition to dividends and options trading, investing in high-quality growth stocks increases your wealth over time. Focus on companies with strong earnings reports and revenue growth, competitive advantages in their industry, a track record of innovation and expansion. Some examples include companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, which have historically provided solid returns for long-term investors. Step 5. Managing risk and protecting profits. Even the best strategies come with risks. Here's how to protect your earnings. Use stop-loss orders. Automatically sell a stock if it drops below a certain price to limit losses. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on just one method. A mix of dividends, covered calls, and growth stocks creates stability. Stay informed. Regularly research market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. Final results. How I make $500 a day. By combining these methods, I built a portfolio that consistently generates income. Dividends, $150 a day from a diversified portfolio. Covered calls, $200 a day from selling options on existing stocks. Growth investments, $150 a day on average from stock appreciation. Total, $500 a day in passive and semi-passive income. Key takeaways: investing is a long-term game. Success doesn't happen overnight, but consistency pays off. Multiple income streams create financial security. Relying on one strategy is risky, so diversify your methods. Smart risk management is crucial. Protecting your capital ensures you stay in the game for the long run. If you're looking to start your investing journey, remember to do your research and start small. Let me know in the comments what investing strategies you're using, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial content.